The new gold rush isn't picks and shovels, it's leverage. Early adopters quietly resell speed, clarity, and creativity at a profit while everyone else tests. Use these 11 AI tools to turn hours into assets, inputs into income, and ideas into products before the crowd arrives. Stay to the end, because the top slots show you how to stitch them into a loop that prints while you sleep. 11. Perplexity AI. Rich people buy answers with receipts. Perplexity turns vague questions into sourced, scannable briefs you can resell as research, lead magnets, or authority posts. Money plays. Produce industry cheat sheets for niche founders, draft investor memos with citations, build content calendars that link back to products. Workflow. Ask targeted prompts. Open the sources panel, extract quotes and stats, then package into a PDF or newsletter. Edge. Collections let you grow a proprietary library you can sell access to. You're not charging for words. You're charging for decisions made faster. 10. Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Long context plus clean reasoning equals enterprise-grade deliverables. Feed Claude massive PDFs, transcripts, contracts, or customer interviews, and ask it to synthesize, highlight risk, and propose actions. Monetize with high-ticket services, due diligence summaries, RFP responses, competitor teardowns, policy drafts. Prompt pattern, role plus objective plus rubric plus references. Use the new artifacts feature to co-create frameworks, SOPs, or calculators you can license. Your edge isn't novelty, it's judgment at scale. 9. ChatGPT, GPT-4o. The Swiss Army engine for scripts, sales pages, onboarding docs, landing copy, micro SAS scaffolding, even analytics queries. Build productized offers, podcast show notes and SEO posts, cold email campaigns with variants and A/B tests, notionized handbooks for busy teams. Create a custom GPT tailored to a niche, e.g., e-com ad copy coach. Then use it to deliver consistent client results in minutes. Pair with a style guide and examples so it learns your voice. Then sell same-day delivery at premium rates. You're not competing with chat. You're competing with wait times. 8. Midjourney V6. Ad creatives, thumbnails, brand directions, on demand. Money plays. Print on-demand storefronts, UGC ad packs for DTC brands, Etsy listing revamps, premium presentation art. Build a repeatable pipeline. Collect 5 reference images, prompt with product benefits and brand vibes. Use style and seed to maintain cohesion. Upscale. Then test 5 layouts per concept. Add your logo and CTA in a design tool and ship. Remember, businesses buy conversions, not pretty pictures, so include headline options and framing ideas with each delivery. These forgive you research, reasoning, language, and visuals on tap. In the next block, you'll turn those atoms into motion, video, voice, and endless repurposing that multiplies your reach without multiplying your workload. The people getting rich with AI aren't the most technical. They're the ones who package outcomes, layer distribution, and let tools run the boring parts. Keep going. The next set is where attention becomes pipeline and pipeline becomes cash. Video, voice, and repurposing turn attention into pipeline without multiplying your workload. 7. Runway Gen 3. Attention is a video market. Show, don't tell. Runway turns product shots and scripts into ad-ready scenes without a studio. Money plays. UGC ad bundles for DTC brands, explainer loops for SaaS landing pages, event promos, kinetic logo stingers. Workflow, rewrite features as visual beats, generate shots with text to video and image to video, store looks presets for brand cohesion, export in multiple aspect ratios. Edge, rapid iteration gives you 10 ad variants per concept. Charge for packages, not minutes. Use Motion Brush for product highlights, remove backgrounds with green screen, and swap scenes with reference images to keep brand texture tight. Storyboard with Claude, then iterate shots against a headline to AI/B test angles. 6. 11 Labs. Voices sell, accents open markets. Clone a natural voice and dub offers into new languages overnight. Money plays. Creator dubbing for Spanish and Portuguese, course localization, audiobooks, AI phone trees, voice packs for game mods. Workflow. Train a voice with a clean minute of audio, Ask GPT-4o to translate with cultural notes. Generate multi-speaker roles, polish loudness, and mix in a DAW. Edge. Evergreen catalogs earn while you sleep. Add revenue shares. Generate SRTs. Then pair with HeyGen for lip-synced talking heads so international viewers feel native. Secure rights and label AI use in contracts. Professionalism is a pricing lever most freelancers ignore. 5. Descript. Edit video the way you edit a doc. One click removes ums, spaces, and tangents. Overdub fixes mistakes without reshoots. Money plays. Podcast YouTube editorial retainers. Weekly founder updates turned into 10 assets. Shorts. Blog. Newsletter. LinkedIn thread. Workflow. Transcribe. Mark highlights. Export an EDL to Premiere if needed. Send the clean transcript to ChatGPT for show notes. Publish from a single timeline. Edge. Clients don't buy clips. They buy a reliable calendar and reporting. Turn on studio sound to clean rough mics, screen record walkthroughs, and publish audiograms automatically. Build a fixed deliverables menu and a velocity SLA so clients pay for cadence, not chaos. 4. Opus Clip. Shorts are the new cold email. Opus Auto finds hooks, adds captions, and frames faces for vertical. Money plays. Slice 60-minute webinars into 20 shorts and sell as a viral engine to coaches and B2B founders. Workflow. Upload, apply a brand kit, swap headlines, batch export, pair with Midjourney thumbnails, and schedule via buffer. Edge. Shorts flood the top of funnel. Layer UTM overlays and charge against pipeline created, not views. Add dynamic progress bars and colored keywords. Embed mid-roll CTAs, and wrap each clip with a tracking link in the first comment. Deliver a Notion dashboard showing posts shipped and leads. These four give you moving pictures, persuasive sound, and endless derivatives. Next, you'll wire distribution and monetization so the machine runs itself. Automation that posts, tags, and routes leads, workspaces that remember and rank opportunities, and storefronts that accept money while you're offline. The top 3 tools don't just create, they connect, so output becomes income on a schedule. 3. Zapier AI. Automation is where ideas become income at scale. Zapier's AI can build zaps from plain English and route content, leads, and payments without you. Money plays. When Perplexity finalizes a research brief, auto-formatted in Google Docs, post a gated summary to your site, send the full PDF to new subscribers, and push prospects into a CRM with a hot score if they click pricing. When Claude finishes an SOP or artifact, auto-file to Notion, notify your team, create tasks, and invoice via Stripe. Tie Midjourney and Runway outputs to a queue that schedules posts, tracks UTM clicks, and pings you only when a threshold is hit. Edge. 1 hour of wiring replaces 1 employee of repetitive work, quietly, forever. 2. Notion AI. Work needs memory and prioritization. Notion AI turns a workspace into a living operator. Summarize client calls, auto-tag ideas, generate task lists from transcripts, and surface next best actions. Money plays. Build a lightweight CRM with deal stages, weighted scores, and renewal dates. Ingest voice of customer notes. Ask Notion AI to extract pains, objections, and language, then feed that directly into ChatGPT ad prompts. Create a content OS that tracks topics, drafts, assets, CTAs, and performance, with AI suggesting repurpose candidates weekly. Edge. Decisions improve when your second brain remembers everything and highlights what matters now. 1. Beehiiv AI. Distribution is wealth's bloodstream. Beehiiv gives you paid newsletters, boosts, recommendations, and an ad network in one place, plus AI writing assists. Money plays. Capture traffic from your shorts and promos into a free newsletter, route warm readers to a paid tier with exclusive reports, and accept sponsorships the platform sources. Use AI to headline test, summarize long posts into social snippets, and spin winning issues into evergreen lead magnets. Add a welcome sequence that sells your Gumroad or course checkout automatically. Edge. Subscribers are an asset you own. Recurring revenue arrives even when you're off-grid. The loop that prints while you sleep. Perplexity validates demand and collects sources. Claude and ChatGPT draft assets and offers. Midjourney and Runway produce visuals and spots. Descript and Opus Clip turn long form into daily clips. 11 Labs localizes to new markets. Zapier AI routes files, posts, leads, and payments. Notion AI ranks work by impact and reminds you what's next. Beehiiv converts attention into owned audience and recurring cash. Do the hard part once. Design the outcome and wire the loop. Then let consistency and compounding do the rich part. Your move this week. Pick one research tool, one creation tool, and one connector. Ship a single paid asset, template, mini course, ad pack, research brief, and wire the loop to collect, deliver, and follow up automatically. Measure dollars per hour of your effort, not hours per day. If a step still needs you, automate it or batch it. If demand appears, raise price and add a premium tier. The advantage isn't knowing AI. It's owning a system that compounds while you sleep. Set it once. Cash it daily, starting right now.